Want to update the email address linked to your AliExpress account? In this video, I'll show you how to change or update your email on the AliExpress app quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, look for the profile option and tap on it. Next, tap on account information. Now, find the email address option and select it. AliExpress may ask you to verify your identity before making any changes. You might receive a verification code through your current email address. Enter the verification code in the provided field, then tap Verify to continue. Now, type your new email address in the provided field. Make sure the email address is entered correctly. After that, tap on the Continue button. AliExpress may now send a verification code to your new email address. Simply enter that code into the provided field and tap on the Enter Code button. Once verified, your email address will be successfully updated on your AliExpress account. And that's how you can change or update your email address on the AliExpress app. Thanks for watching.